Hello everyone, I'm Juna. In our last video, our GM, Mr. Chen, talked about how Scott Power achieves rapid response in the cleaning appliance sector through exclusive supply chains and intelligent production. Today, we're going behind the scenes on the production line to show you exactly how we make that happen for our cleaning appliance partners.
We operate nearly 20 specialized lines for vacuums, floor scrubbers, and robot cleaner. We support both cylindrical and pouch cell formats, creating a scaled, differentiated production footprint that fully meets our clients' volume requirements. This is our intelligent, automated cylindrical battery line, which focuses on 18,650 and 21,700 cells. By utilizing a strategic mix of automated and semi-automated production lines, we provide massive capacity for cleaning appliance batteries. This ensures consistent, stable supply, even during seasonal peak demand periods, and has established us as a heavyweight supplier in the global cleaning appliance market. What makes our batteries reliable? 3 things: high-speed automation, real-time digital monitoring, and a rigorous 5-stage quality check. We also use a one-unit, one-code system, so you can track every battery's entire journey, from raw materials to the final shipment. We produce high-end pouch lithium batteries for flagship robotic vacuums and all-in-one vacuum mop machines. We can customize battery specs and scale monthly output to meet top customers' needs. Our Fuzhou factory can close its automated lines in 45 to 60 days, so we can scale up the second you need it. We're also big on customization, doing everything from ultra-thin pouch cells to integrated packs built to your exact specs. Plus, a dedicated tech team to handle the supply chain and cost side are provided, which cuts down your R&D time and gives you a real edge in the market.
This is all about our visit to the cleaning appliance battery lines at Scott Power. It is just a glimpse into how we're setting the global standard for light-powered battery manufacturing. If you are interested in our products or want to book a factory tour, send us an email at the address below. Thanks for watching.